Climbing Kilimanjaro is a true test of endurance. Those interested in venturing to its summit need to be well prepared. If you're thinking of making the trek, there are a few preparations required in advance. Here's how to prepare yourself for your adventure. Understand the mountain. Mount Kilimanjaro is the tallest mountain in all of Africa. It's also the highest freestanding mountain in the world, which means it's not part of a larger mountain range. Climbing the mountain isn't the hard part. The challenges come with the rate of ascent and the altitude. The mountain is 5,895 meters, or 19,341 feet above sea level. That's why acclimatization is important. It's the process of adjusting your body to the lower oxygen levels found at higher elevations. Without acclimatization, you suffer from altitude sickness. At Rome Wild Adventure, we take appropriate measures to assist our clients with acclimatization, such as additional time spent climbing high and sleeping low. A steady pole place and oxygen canisters are available should they be needed. Despite the dangers, there's a thrill in pushing yourself and having an adventure. Plus, it's a gorgeous trek. Train in advance. Although Mount Kilimanjaro is a walkable climb, you should spend at least 2 to 3 months ahead of your climb training for it. You don't have to be extremely fit to tackle this challenge. You only have to have a moderate fitness level. Cardio fitness is especially important. Hiking, especially with a weighted backpack, is essential. If you don't have any trails nearby, regular use of a Stairmaster and walking can be an adequate substitute. The Lemosho route is approximately 42 kilometers, so think of your fitness preparation as if you're training for a marathon but in manageable pieces. The more fit your cardiorespiratory system is, the higher your chance of a successful Kilimanjaro summit. We have more trips on training plans for Kili on our website, so check out our blog. Choose the right gear. Consider the hiking preparations you would do for a normal trip and start from there. That means sunscreen, headwear for sun protection and warmth, gloves, rain jacket and rain pants, down or synthetic insulated jacket, and clothes that can be layered for maximum body temperature regulation. Of course, don't forget other essential accessories like a warm sleeping bag, trekking poles, 2-liter water bottle, snacks, and a day pack to carry it in. Also important is to bring a waterproof 90-liter duffel for the larger items like sleeping bags, jackets, and electronic devices, and extra clothing which our porters will carry. A good pair of boots is essential. Look for waterproof ones with good ankle support and a sturdy sole. Also, don't make the mistake of showing up in Tanzania with brand new boots. Make sure your boots have been broken in first. Take them out on some of your training hikes to break them in. If you can't get out on as many hikes as you'd like, wear them around the house. Give them time to break in and make sure they fit comfortably. The last thing you want to worry about when climbing Mount Kilimanjaro is blisters on your feet. Get a checkup. Everyone should have a medical checkup before their climb. Your age, fitness level, and overall health will determine whether or not you're capable of making the climb. In addition to your medical checkup, you should follow the CDC guidelines for recommended vaccinations. If there are any other underlying medical conditions, make sure you tell your guide before the climb. It's also a good idea to talk to your doctor about medications that may help you prevent altitude sickness. Many people take Diamox as a preventative measure. Again, that's a personal decision and something to be discussed with your physician. Entry requirements. Before you book your trip to Tanzania, understand the entry requirements. Along with a valid passport that's at least 6 months or more away from expiration, you need either a visa, resident permit, or a pass. If you're a foreigner looking to just visit, you won't need a pass or resident permit. You also need a return or onward plane ticket, as well as proof that you have sufficient funds to support yourself while inside the country. Tanzania has recently lifted its requirement for travelers to present proof of a negative COVID-19 test prior to arrival, but it's best to double-check the most updated travel rules for your country as they tend to change periodically. Determine your route. Finally, you need to determine your climbing route. At Rome Wild Adventure, we can help you choose the best route for you. We have 5 different climbs available. These include Lemosho, Northern Circuit, Rongai, Machame, and Marangu routes. Each has its own uniqueness and varying terrain, but all have stunning views. Ready to climb Mount Kilimanjaro? We have a full list of available dates and routes for you to choose from. If you still have questions or need more information before you book, we can help with that too. Contact us today and let us help plan your mountain climbing adventure.